Hey guys, John here from Diode. Today in the garage, we'll be showing you how to install our plug-and-play SSC1 headlight kit like you see here on this Can-Am Maverick X3. Looking behind the OE headlights, disconnect the factory harness by lifting the clip and pulling away. Repeat for the DRL harness. Using a 7mm socket and an extension, remove one inboard mounting screw. Save this for later as we'll reuse this screw. Using an 8mm socket and extension, remove 3 more screws. Repeat this process for both headlights. Now we can assemble our stage series headlights. Grab your SSC1 pods and place the universal bracket so the tab is facing towards the rear of the pods, and secure it using the included bolt and locking nut. Keep the bracket level with the pod and tighten it using a 5/32 Allen and 3/8 wrench. Repeat for each pod. Starting with the outer pod that uses the fog optic, add the included mounting bolt to the universal bracket. Then place on the headlight bracket in the orientation shown, keeping as far forward as possible, and secure it using the included washer, lock washer, and nut. With the pod secured, align the front fascia with the mounting bracket to check alignment and make adjustments as needed. Use a 13mm wrench to tighten in place. Repeat for each pod, making sure the fog pod is installed on the outermost mounting point, the wide pod in the middle, and the spot on the innermost point. With our pods mounted, we can secure the front fascia to the mounting bracket using the included bolts, washers, and locking nuts, and tighten using a 13mm socket and wrench. Do this for both headlights. Back at the vehicle, plug the included headlight harness in line with the OEM DRL connector and headlight harness. Position the stage series headlight in line with the mounting points and use a 7mm socket and extension to install the OE gold screw removed earlier into the inboard top mounting position. Be sure to not over tighten. Next, use an 8mm socket and extension to install one OEM black screw into the lowest mounting point. Continue using the 8mm socket to install 2 new screws in the other top 2 mounting points. Tighten up until snug, but do not over tighten. Starting at the innermost pod, connect the high beam output to the SSC1 spot. Then, connect the 2 low beam output connectors to the middle wide pod in the outermost fog pod. Make sure the connectors lock by pushing them in until you hear a click. Test for function. With everything functioning properly, adjust the aim as needed and repeat for the other side. As you can see with our SSC1 headlight kit installed, not only will you have a custom off-road appearance, but you'll also have 3 different output patterns providing you with wide, medium, and long-range visibility, significantly better than stock, with the addition of amber backlights when the main beams aren't in use. If you're looking to pick up an SSC1 headlight kit for your Can-Am or any of our other products, be sure to visit our website at diodedynamics.com or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. And if you want to stay up to date on the latest and greatest products coming to the market, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications. Thanks for watching.